studiers! Alright, that was that. Alright, Mr. Cheese Pickles from the fifth dimension. Let's hear it. Woo! You guys need to get school spirit. Alright, what color here?
Green.
Green. That's like pickles. Okay.
Yeah.
Please read the problem and help us out.
Okay, so a survey shows that about 9/25 of families in a small town do not have residential phone service. Write 9/25 as a decimal.
Okay, how did you do it?
So what I did is that I wrote down 9/25. I multiplied the fraction by 4 because the denominator is 25, and I know 25 is 1/4 of 100.
Right. So what you really are saying is that you set up an equation here,
Yes.
right? X over.
X over 4. Or
No, we want to find the percentage, so that's out of
100.
100. And then we said, okay, well, going from 25 to 100 is times 4, and going from 9, we have to keep the ratio the same here. So, and I'm running out of batteries, obviously. Okay, so what do we get?
We get 36 over 100.
Right, and how do we write that as a decimal?
0.36.
Right, so 0.36, but let me pause this. So,
And there's a second way you can do it, which is division.
right, so we just divide.
You just divide the numerator by the denominator.
9 divided by 25, right? And you can plug it into your calculator. I don't feel like doing it now, but that would give you the right answer. All right, let's give him a hand. I'm going to start calling people up who don't clap. Hey, what's your code name?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Come on down, Spaghetti. All the way from Italy. Okay. What happens when we divide by 9? Do you remember, Spaghetti?
You get like an infinite number.
You get a what?
You get a number that's everlasting and keeps on going.
Yeah, that keeps repeating, right? Okay, what color?
Yellow.
Yellow is a highlighter you can't write with.
Blue.
Blue. Alright, I'm doing dark blue. Okay, so how do you write this as a decimal?
I got 0.7 with the bar on top.
Okay, but you forgot something. Look at the question again. What is it?
Negative?
Yes, negative. Good. Whoops. So don't forget the negative, and don't forget that bar on top, right? Now, what if you put the bar over the whole thing?
It would.
No. It's only the 7 that's repeating. Awesome. Okay, let's give her a hand. Start calling on people who don't clap. All right, what for number 3? What are our number sets? Real and rational. Correct. What about the others? Nope, because it's in between 2 and 3. All right. How about number 4? Anybody want to do that one? All right. Come on down. Do you have a code name, young lady? Mango. Mango. Let's hear it for Mango. Woo! Alrighty. How do we do this, Mango?
So, what I did is that I converted 0.2 into a fraction.
Okay. Which is?
Which is 1/5.
1/5. Well, it's first is 2/10, right?
Oh yeah.
So it's 2/10, and then you reduced it to 1/5. Okay.
And there's this method that I learned a long time ago.
Mm-hmm.
Is that you multiply 5 times 2,
Mm-hmm.
and since it's 10, you put 10 above 2 nines.
Mm-hmm.
Then you multiply 9 times 1, and put 9 above.
Okay, and what's that called?
Cross multiply. I think it's called the
cross
butterfly method.
the butterfly method. Yeah.
And since 10 is greater than
Why does
9,
that work? Because it's the butterfly method. Alright, I don't teach the butterfly method, so how do we do it so that it makes sense in math class? Why don't we do 2 tenths? Okay, can you compare 2 ninths and 2 tenths and see which is bigger?
Yes, I can, because when both of the numerators are the same,
Mm-hmm.
the number with the lesser denominator will be the greater one.
Because?
Because if there's a lesser denominator, then the how do you explain?
Sections or
Then the
pieces.
sections will come out more, because there will be.
The smaller denominator has bigger pieces, right? Yeah, you're right, bigger sections. Alright, let's give her a hand. Now, I would have done it another way, though. What's the other way to do it? Right, 2 divided by 9, and what do you get? .2222, etc. versus 0.2, which is actually 0.20, right? So which one's bigger? The first one. Alright? Any questions? No questions? Okay, someone want to do 5? You already went. Alright. Yes, come on down. What's your name, sir? The universal chess thing? Multiversal chess king. Alright, come on down. Here he comes. Alright, Chessmeister. Alright. 1 gallon of water is equivalent to 8.34 pounds. Alright? Write it as a mixed number in simplest form. Okay.
What I done was first put 34 over 100.
Right.
Then I divided it by 2, and I got 17
Hold
over 50.
on. Going too fast. 34 over 100, and then divide by 2. Alright? And what do you get?
17 over 50.
And 17 is a prime number, so it's not going to get any lower than that. Okay.
After I multiplied 50 times 8 and got 400 and added it to 17 to get 417 over 50.
Careful though, they wanted a mixed number, not an improper. So then we write it how?
8 over 7. 8, 17 over 50.
8 and 17/50ths. Right? Are we done?
Yes.
Yes, we are? Cool. Yeah, I would have thought that too. That would be a better problem maybe, or a longer problem. Alright, let's hear it. For the chess guy. Okay. Anyone want to do number 6? Hey, come on down. Do you have a name, young lady? No name? Were you born with a name? Okay, so the person who shall remain nameless. She who shall not be named. Voldemort. Okay. Alright. You want to read it or you want me to read it?
You can read it.
I can read it. Luis typically eats 4.5 ounces of fruit each day. That's a little tiny bit. Today he ate triple. Wow. How many did he eat today?
So first I made an improper fraction.
Okay.
So it would be 17 over 4.
Okay, how do you get 17 over 4?
Because 4 times 4 is 16, and then you add the 1, 4.
Okay, why do you do 16 plus 1?
Because there's 4.
So 4 wholes is 16 fourths, correct. And then you have to also add the 1 fourth. I want to make sure not just like the butterfly method, you're doing something you don't quite understand. Okay, so 17 fourths, yes.
And then
it says that he tripled it, and so you multiply that 17/4 times 3,
Okay.
and then you get. I kind of just skip that part and kind of just. What?
So what did you get?
I didn't do that part exactly. I just kind of simplified it.
How?
Because 17 times 3 is. I think it's 51.
Yeah.
Yes,
51
51.
over 4.
And
That's
then
correct.
4 times 1 is 4, and then you simplify that, and it's 12 and 3/4.
12 and 3/4. Okay, cool. All right, so I would have done it a different way that would have been, I think, faster. Does anybody do it a faster way? Yeah.
I just multiplied it 4 straight to 3 to get 12.
Right, so you do the 4 times 3. This is what I would recommend for any problems like this, okay? A lot of times it's better not to go for the improper fraction. So times 3 is 12. And 1 times 3 is 3, right? So there you go. 12 and 3/4. Now, if you happen to get something a little bigger than fourths here, you just add it. Shame. Nobody else did it without the improper, really? Oh, a couple people. All right. That's what I recommend. Oh, we got the same ANSWER? Yeah, correct. All right. Bless you.
Thank you.
All right. Moving on. Number 7. Great chance. Hey, the young man in the back. What's your name? The Universal Chess Champion. Number 2 in chronological order. All right, I guess we have 2 champions. Find the area and the perimeter. Ooh, that's an interesting problem. Okay, so we've got 8 and 6 and 2/9. Write each answer as a fraction and as a decimal. Boy, that's 4 answers. My goodness. Okay, let's do it.
So, for the area, you would first change 6 and 2/9 into an improper fraction, making it
So 6 times 9 is 54.
54
So
plus
54 nines plus 2 nines.
9 equals
56 nines.
9
Okay?
times 8 over 1 would equal.
Okay, wait. We get it?
No.
Okay, did anybody have it? 431? Okay, 431 over 9. And then we have to reduce. It's not 431? 438? 48. Well, okay, 448. All right, and then we would divide by 9. We would get 49 with 7 left over. I'm hoping. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, good. So that's going to be our area. All right. And what about the perimeter?
For perimeter, would multiply 56 over 9 times 2, getting
So what would that get?
us 28 and 4/9.
Okay, 28 and 4/9. But I think it's so much easier times 2, right? If we had, let's see, 6 and 2/9, right? And we're multiplying it times 2, we don't have to turn it into an improper fraction. Right? As a matter of fact, that's going to be too big, huh? Wow. Oh, right, that's right, as a decimal. Oops. Let's do that. So 49.7 with a line over it. Cool. Thank you. Spaghetti. I was going to say another spaghetti. All right. So 6 and 2/9. Shane, help us out. Times 2?
That would be 12 and
12 and 4/9. See, so easy. You do the 6 times 2 and the 2 by 2. All right. So 12 and 4/9. So that's times 2. Then we have... Oh, no!